Step 1. Get a cardboard box. In step 2, you will need to apply white glue or school glue on the box. Perhaps some light colored paper will work well as this is on the beach and we will need the heat to be reflected off the small shop. In step 3, get some black acrylic paint and paint the front opening of the shop. Step 4, bring a couple of bags and a thick stick that acts as a hanger. Step 5. Using the glue gun, you'll easily be able to assemble the hanger inside. Step 6. Now bring some colorful sticks or any sticks you have to make a beautiful roof like this one here. Step 7. Write on the front of the box, Bags Shop. I wrote mine in calligraphy font as you can see here. Step 8. Stick some shells on the cardboard pieces. Step 9. I started writing my storyline as this is a math project. Step 10. I also didn't forget to write the questions and the answers. Step 11. Just outlining everything that I have done with a black marker. Step 12. Let's paint a sea. Now for the fun part. Step 13. Let's stick some sand. Now, to elaborate, I present to you this beautiful young lady here, Maria. So Maria was having a beautiful summer day with the sun shining on her lovely face. The seashells were light in her outstretched arm. They were all so tiny and so delicate and such an assortment of shapes and colors. Maria just wanted a lovely bag to match her outfit, so she found a hut close by that sells different types of bags. Maria has 215 Qatar rials. Each butterfly-shaped bag in the hut costs 30 Qatar rials. The pink bag costs 25 Qatar rials, and the wallet costs 15 Qatar rials.